Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're making a Halloween wreath. We've made crescent wreaths before, so be sure to watch that video. And if you don't have one, that's okay too. You can use this as inspiration for a regular wreath. For this project, you'll need wire cutters, burlap, rope, craft wire, hot glue, silk flowers, plastic spiders, and skeleton, or any other Halloween decorations like mini bats or ghosts. That would work too. Let's start by taking wire cutters and clipping off the silk flower stem. You want to leave about 3 to 4 inches of stem, and if you have filler flowers like baby's breath, you can remove those and just slide the leaves back on. As you can see, we're sticking to Halloween colors here with the oranges and the purples, but you can definitely switch up the colors if, for example, you want to go with a more cute pastel goth look. Now that we have our silk flowers, go ahead and slide that greenery all the way up and then add the hot glue to the stem. You can be pretty generous with the hot glue here because this is going to be outdoors, so you want it to last. Then just slide the stem between the branches, and you'll see this is why we kept the stem longer, because you have more room to play with in how you want the silk flowers to sit on the wreath. For our design, we're grouping them closer together towards the ends of the crescent, so it might be helpful before adding the hot glue to set out the flowers along the wreath as a mock-up. Continue to add the flowers with the hot glue. We used 7 orange silk rose buds and 2 purple flowers on each end, so 18 flowers total. Securing the skeleton with a craft wire, we have this mini skeleton from another project and it fits so well here. You can find so many Halloween decorations in stores right now, but this is also a great project if you want to reuse any leftover crafts. In the middle there, we're using these glittered spiders, again securing them with the hot glue. Now, if you don't have these plastic ones, you can use a bit of craft paper, Mod Podge, and glitter to make paper 2-dimensional ones or even bats. In the previous crescent video, we used spiders we cut with a Cricut, so that's another option. The final step is to add a ribbon to the top. We're using some burlap rope. And we also discovered that the skeleton lights up, perfect for a spooky Halloween. This step is optional, it just depends on how you'll be displaying this wreath. If it's on a nail, then it has a ring already, but if you need more space, then having the loop is nice too. And here we are, all done and ready to celebrate. Let us know if you're looking forward to decorating for Halloween, or if you have any questions, please ask us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.